Every great innovation comes from thousands times of attempts. Every new challenge comes from the constant exploration of the new area. Every excellent product comes from the infinite pursuit of perfection. Striving on the best value creation in the best years. That's our She and XYPower technology. We're positioned as a solution provider in smart power products and technologies, focusing on core components of EV charging and energy storage systems. We achieve dreams by working hard. We're full of hopes and enthusiasm, with infinite vision of green energy and future. Through continuous exploration of unknown area to pursue the perfect power solutions. We're born with technology, insisting on innovation, being a researching and development company of technology-driven. We are committed to a culture of researching and development that focused on excellence. We aspire to build the leading technology platform and researching and development team in the world. We firmly believe that innovation is the foundation of sustainable development in XYPower. Exceed our limit by constant innovation to lead industrial development. We're focusing on value creation for distinguished customers, which is the reason we exist. We're insisting on growing together with customers in the process of constantly creating value for customers. XYPower is dedicated in the industry of EV charging and discharging and energy storage. On the basis of power conversion technology and researching and development experience in high-power DC products. We provide the most valuable power conversion modules for customers. To promote the energy development of direct current, high voltage, intelligence, and microgrid to meet the needs of free flow of energy in multiple scenarios. X200, X300, and X400 series charging modules featured with high efficiency, high power density, intelligence, and reliability, developed for EV charging and swapping systems. Low standby power consumption and up to 97% high conversion efficiency help charging point operators improve operation margins. The firstly developed dynamic protection algorithm greatly improves the reliability of the power products. The overall gel-filled technology can effectively solve more than 95% of the environmental adaptability problems and reduce operation costs throughout the product lifespan. The PR products are innovative design of the full matrix power distribution units. It provides an intelligent power allocation strategy for DC chargers and effectively improve the utilization rate of EV charging stations. The pursuit to ocean of stars is fountainhead from our dreams. Erudition and insight in knowledge is rooted from our enterprising spirit. XYPower takes innovation as an approach, continue to create value for customers, jointly explore the infinite possibilities in the field of green energy. Make energy and environment coexist in harmony. Make the development and a better life come together. An era of greener and safer energy. It is the future XYPower pursuing.